welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Photos account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now open the app and sign in with a Google account. Once you sign in, on the top of your screen you can see few options. Tap on that user icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, you're gonna find Manage your Google account right below your username. Go to Data and Privacy. There you have to scroll down and find Delete your Google account. Tap on it. Once you do that, they're gonna ask you if you really want to delete your account, and if you delete your account, your photos, calendar, contacts, every other apps using your Google account, your data will be deleted. Well, you have to acknowledge it. Tap on the empty boxes, then select Delete Account option at the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Google Photos account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.